All right, let's unlock the secrets to reading faster and, well, a whole lot smarter. Ever feel like you're just buried in stuff to read? Textbooks, articles? It's a lot. So let's turn that chore into a skill you can actually master, one level at a time. Okay, level 1. This is all about getting the lay of the land and doing it fast. First up, skimming. And no, it's not careless reading. Think of it as a quick flyover. So how do you do it? Just hit the headings and the first and last sentences. Next, there's scanning. This is like your brain's very own find command. You just let your eyes fly across the page looking for that one specific keyword or phrase. So what's the difference? Simple. Skim for the gist, scan for the specifics. All right, on to level 2. This is where we stop just reading and really start engaging. This is active reading. You're thinking, questioning, actually talking with the text. Underline stuff, scribble notes in the margins, ask questions. Make the book yours. And now for the final boss. Level 3. This is about mastering the material, not just reading it. Here, you basically become a detective. You're hunting for bias, weak arguments, all that stuff. And this is the real endgame. Thinking for yourself, but with solid evidence to back it up. So analysis judges the text, but critical thinking, that's about using it everywhere else. Okay, so how do we put this all together? What's the playbook? Here it is, your 5-step path from a quick glance to, well, actually getting it. And remember, these are skills. Like anything, you've got to practice them to get good. So now that you've got this toolkit, what are you going to understand differently?